Good afternoon, beauty people. I want to thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for your support. God bless you. And today what I want to show you is a simple recipe on how to make shampoos. And of course, because it's a basic recipe, you can add your own ingredients. But what I added to my shampoo are Castile soap. I used olive oil, coconut milk, green tea, and wild orange oil, and I'm going to tell you in a minute why I chose those ingredients. Of course, you could choose to design your shampoo however it benefits you, your hair, and your scalp. But I actually found out some amazing things about the ingredients that I chose to use. I started making shampoos, not to sell or anything, but this was actually something to get my students interactive when we're doing the chemistry chapter. So, a lot of times when you have theory, realistically, it can be boring. But if you do fun, interactive things and get the students to relate to the topic, then it gives them a better understanding and it gives them a longer lasting impression. And not only that, it opens their eyes to other avenues, because that may be something that they become interested in. They may become interested in actually making shampoos and conditioners that are wholesome and good for the hair and scalp and have their own product line. So this is something that I used to have my students do, and then I would let them shampoo each other to test it out and see how they liked it. Some of them liked it. Some of them felt that it was a little drying on their hair. But yeah, the fact is it was fun to do, and so I thought it would be fun to share with you, and you try it out and let me know what you thought. So anyway, with my shampoo, I chose to use green tea. The first thing is the cleansing ingredient, which is Castile soap, and it is a mild, gentle cleansing agent that you add to your shampoos that won't strip your scalp. Although sometimes, depending on who's using it, everyone reacts differently, so it may be a little drying. For me, it was not. It was very mild and gentle on my hair and scalp, and I loved it. This particular one that I use today actually has honey in it and jojoba oil and some other stuff in it. And I think it was Dr. Jacob's Castile soap that I used. I also use green tea instead of water, and the reason for that is because I tend to have dry scalp. I don't really have any hair growing out right now. I keep my hair shaved, so this would be something that I would use on my scalp as well as on the hair that, wigs or quick weaves that I may use. I also used wild orange oil, I used olive oil, and coconut milk. So, first things first, I told you Castile soap is a gentle cleansing agent. With green tea, this is something I did not know. I did not know that it was actually good for regrowth. So years ago, I started using green tea for my skin, the caffeinated kind, just to be clear, because caffeine is actually good for external use on your skin. Good in that it generates collagen production. For your hair, I loved it because it made my hair shiny, silky, super soft. So after I would shampoo and condition my hair, I would brew some green tea, let it cool, of course, and just pour it all over my hair, wring my hair out, and let it air dry. And pardon me, it would dry. I wouldn't need any products, let's just put it that way. But what I did not know is that it's good for alopecia, that it actually helps to regrow hair. It helps to stop hair loss. It helps to eliminate dandruff. It's moisturizing for the hair, of course, and it's good for the hair follicles. I didn't know that. Wild orange oil is also the same. It is good in helping to get rid of dandruff. It also helps with dry scalp and dry hair, so it moisturizes. It also helps to prevent hair loss. Coconut milk is also good in helping to prevent dandruff. It's moisturizing. It helps to slow down hair loss, and it is also loaded with vitamins, and it strengthens the hair to help prevent hair loss. And then what else did I put in here? That's it. So those are all the benefits. Let's see. Yeah. So all of these ingredients help with hair loss, which I thought was amazing, because I never used them before. I used green tea in my other shampoos that I would make with the students. Now the oil that I had chose to bring to class was eucalyptus and tea tree oil, because those are natural antifungal oils, but those would also help with dandruff, because remember in prior videos I told you dandruff technically is called malassezia, or it's caused by a fungus that's called malassezia. So antifungal helps to prevent and get rid of the dandruff. So I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you so much. If you like this video, share it with some friends, and hopefully you really learn and continue to watch my videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.